Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is December 10th, 2024, and we're diving into Amtech's recently released fourth quarter and full year fiscal 2024 earnings report. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Amtech, a key player in the semiconductor equipment manufacturing sector, has just released their latest financial results, and there's a lot to unpack.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Amtech reported a net revenue of $24.1 million for the fourth quarter. John, how does this compare to previous quarters, and what does it tell us about the company's performance?
Amtech's net revenue for Q4 shows a 10% sequential decrease and a 13% year-over-year decline. This drop is primarily due to decreased sales in their diffusion furnaces and wafer cleaning equipment. However, it's worth noting that despite the revenue dip, Amtech managed to achieve a positive adjusted EBITDA of $0.8 million, indicating effective cost management and operational efficiencies.
And what about their profitability metrics?
On a GAAP basis, Amtech reported a net loss of $0.5 million for the quarter. However, on a non-GAAP basis, the net loss was significantly reduced to just $7,000, which is quite an improvement from the previous year's loss. This reflects their strategic focus on cost alignment and market adaptation.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. John, analysts had forecasted an EPS of 7 cents for Amtech. How did the actual results compare?
Interestingly, Amtech's actual non-GAAP EPS came in at 0, which is a significant beat compared to the forecasted -7. This outperformance can be attributed to their effective cost management and strategic initiatives that have helped stabilize their financials despite the challenging market conditions.
With only one analyst covering the stock, how does this affect the perception of Amtech's performance?
With limited analyst coverage, the market might not fully appreciate the nuances of Amtech's performance. However, beating the forecasted EPS is a positive signal that could attract more attention from the investment community.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Amtech has made some strategic moves in terms of operational efficiencies. Can you elaborate on these, John?
Absolutely. Amtech has successfully generated $9.8 million in cash from operations and fully repaid $10.7 million in debt, which significantly strengthens their balance sheet. Looking ahead, they expect revenues between $21 to $24 million for the next quarter, with a focus on maintaining positive adjusted EBITDA. They've also implemented cost reduction measures, expected to save $7 million annually, which should enhance profitability through market cycles.
What does this mean for their future growth prospects?
These strategic initiatives position Amtech well for future growth, especially as they expand their product offerings in higher margin segments. Their focus on advanced mobility and packaging applications is likely to drive long-term value.
CEO insights and strategic initiatives. Let's talk about the leadership's perspective. What insights did CEO Bob Daigle share in the report?
CEO Bob Daigle highlighted their strategic focus on aligning the cost structure with market conditions, which has been crucial in achieving positive adjusted EBITDA and operating cash flow for 4 consecutive quarters. He also emphasized the complete repayment of their debt and the addition of resources to expand their product offerings in higher margin segments, which is a key part of their growth strategy.
How do these insights reflect on Amtech's strategic direction?
These insights underscore Amtech's commitment to financial discipline and strategic growth. By focusing on high-margin segments and maintaining a strong cash position, they are well-positioned to navigate market challenges and capitalize on future opportunities.
Key takeaways. As we wrap up, John, can you give us a brief summary of Amtech's performance and investment prospects?
Amtech has demonstrated resilience in a challenging market, with a net revenue of $101.2 million for fiscal 2024 and a non-GAAP net income of $43,000. Their strategic focus on cost management and debt repayment has strengthened their financial position. With a positive outlook for their high-margin segments, Amtech presents a compelling investment opportunity for those looking at the semiconductor equipment sector.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Amtech's performance in the comments below.